I recently wanted to play Lethal Company on my Mac, and some of the ways I found to play Lethal Company, if you haven't heard of Lethal Company, it's this. It's pretty cheap on Steam, and it's multiplayer as well. Pretty fun. Do recommend. Anyway, so I was looking for a way to play that on my Mac, and I saw Crossover, which is kind of expensive. I saw Whiskey, which is free, but it's not maintained anymore, so it doesn't necessarily use the latest wine or other technologies, so it may not be that great on performance. Then I saw Parallels, which is also expensive, and it runs an entire VM, Windows for ARM release, whatever. And then finally I found this. And this is actually pretty good. Cigar. I don't really know how to pronounce that, so I'm not going to even try. Anyway, it works. It's pretty easy to install. Maybe not as great a UI as the other options, but it still does the job. And it's running one release behind the latest release of Wine. Something like that. Anyway, I managed to run Lethal Company through the app, and it seemed to be working perfectly fine. But the thing is, my friends play Lethal Company with mods. If you've heard of Thunderstore or R2modman, well, I was trying to play with those mods. And I tried running R2modman and even Thunderstore, but none of them would launch on my Mac through Wine. And that's when I decided to launch a Windows VM on my Mac because I have a server and I ran a Windows VM on there, and I just opened R2modman with the game installed on there and got all the mods on there, and I just copied all the mod files from that profile and copied it onto my Mac where the game was located in Steam. And surprisingly, the game works pretty well and all the mods loaded with no issues on my Mac. If you're wondering about the performance, Lethal Company managed to get I think I was seeing max 60 FPS, but that was only when you're not moving and doing stuff. But I think the lowest was 30 FPS, so it's somewhere in that range. I would say more likely, depending on which engine you chose and stuff, your frame rates can vary. I saw when I was playing sometimes 30 to 40 FPS, so results can vary. And this is an M3 MacBook Air, so it can vary on what Mac hardware you have. See you guys in the next video.